Good morning, students. Today session is for the extra questions of chapter 3 and 4 class 9. That means coordinate geometry and linear equations in two variables. If the point 2k minus 3k plus 2 lies on the line 2x plus 3y plus 15 equal to 0, then find the value of k. If it is a solution, it lies on this equation. That means since 2k minus 3k plus 2 lies on this equation, that means we can put the value of x as 2k minus 3 and y as k plus 2. Now put the values here. 2 into 2k minus 3 plus 3k plus 2 plus 15 equal to 0. Now expand it. 4k minus 6 plus 3k plus 6 plus 15 equal to 0. Now the 6 cancel out with the 6. 7k, 4k plus 3k will become 7k plus 15 equal to 0. So 7k is equal to minus 15. So the value of k is minus 15 upon 7. Next question is, if x equal to m and y equal to n is a solution of equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then find the value of am plus bn. Since this is a solution of this equation, so we can replace this x as m and y as n. Now put the values here. Put the value of x as m and y as n. So am plus bn plus c equal to 0. In this question, we have to find the value of am plus bn. So am plus bn, this value will not remain changed. This will as it is, plus c equal to 0. We have to find out the value of this. So take c on the RHS side. So this plus will become minus. So am plus bn is equal to minus c. We have to left here as here only because we have to find the value of am plus bn. So the answer is minus c. Third question is, check whether x equal to 5 and y equal to 2 is a solution of equation x plus 2y is equal to 11. Now if we have to check this is a solution or not, we have to put the values x and y in this LHS and in the RHS. If LHS is equal to RHS, that means it is a solution. If LHS is not equal to RHS, that means it is not a solution. So put the value of x equal to 5 and y equal to 2 in x plus 2y is equal to 11. Now put the value here. What is LHS? X plus 2y. This is LHS and this is RHS. So put x as 5 and y as 2. 5 plus 4 become 9 and RHS is 11. In this 9 is not equal to 11. That means LHS is not equal to RHS. If LHS is not equal to RHS, that means we can say this is not a solution of given equation x plus 2y is equal to 11. Next question is, find three solutions of 2x minus y is equal to 4. If we have to find out the solutions, we can put any value of x and then we are finding the value of y respectively. So we can take any value of x. I am taking x as 0. Now put x as 0 in this equation. So 2 into, in place of x we can put 0 here. 2 into 0 minus y is equal to 4. 2 into 0 is 0 minus y is equal to 4. So minus y is equal to 4. This y minus will go there on the RHS. So y is equal to 4 upon minus 1 is minus 4. So x is 0 and y is minus 4. This is the first solution of this equation. Next is, I am taking x equal to 1 here. Now put the value of x as 1. 2 into 1 minus y is equal to 4. 2 minus y is equal to 4. Minus y is equal to 4. This 2 will go there on the RHS by the transposition rule. So it will become, plus will become minus. So minus y is equal to 2. And when minus will go there, so 2 upon minus 1 is minus 2. So the next solution is 1. Next is 1 comma minus 2 is the second solution of given equation 2x minus y is equal to 4. So this is 1 and minus 2 is the second solution. Third solution, we are putting x equal to 2 2 into 2 minus y is equal to 4. 4 minus y is equal to 4. So this minus y is equal to 4. By transposition rule, it will become plus will become minus here. So 4 minus 4 is 0, and minus y is equal to 0 upon minus 1 is 0 only. So the third solution is 2 comma 0 is the third solution of given equation. 2x minus y is equal to 4. Now the three solutions are 0, minus 4, 1, minus 2, and 2, 0. Next question is find a solution of x plus 2y is equal to 8 which represent a point on x-axis. Represent a point on x-axis means y is equal to 0. So put y equal to 0 in this equation. So it will become x plus 2 into 0 is equal to 8. So x plus 0 is 8 is x is equal to 8. So solution is 8 comma 0 because this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate, and on x-axis we know that on x-axis y is 0, y coordinate is 0. So the solution will become 8 comma 0. That's all for today. Thank you so much.